Scotchman Industries manufactures ironworkers from 40 to 150 ton capacity. We offer 3 different concepts of ironworkers: the fully integrated tool concept, the component tool concept, and the dual operator concept. With the fully integrated style, the functions of punching, shearing, notching, angle shearing, and on some models, round and square rod shearing are built into the machine permanently. There are additional component tools available for the punch station, including brakes, channel shear, pipe notcher, picket tool, and tube shear. With a component tooling style machine, the only permanent features built in are the punch and flat bar shear. Please note that all Scotchman ironworkers are supplied with an angle shear as standard equipment. The balance of the tools can be purchased at any time. The dual operator machines combine the features of both models in a machine that can be used by 2 operators at the same time. All 3 concepts are very popular. It's just a matter of personal preference. In this presentation, we will be demonstrating the FI 8510-20M fully integrated model. Scotchman Industries has provided the latest state-of-the-art in control panels for their ironworkers. This control panel includes a main disconnect switch that allows you to comply with OSHA's lockout-tagout requirements. It also includes, as standard equipment, a jog control for the punch and shear stations of the machine. The tonnage of all ironworkers is determined by the machine's punching capacity. It is very important when comparing ironworkers to compare the capacities of all the machine stations, not just the punch. One other thing to watch for when you are comparison shopping is the rated tonnage versus the rated capacity. You will often see machines rated with 70 tons of pressure, but the rated capacity will be up to 10 or 15% below that. At Scotchman Industries, we consider our machines to be as strong or stronger in every position, and the rated tonnage is the actual working tonnage in the punch. The FI 8510-20M will punch 85 tons or up to a 1 1/16 inch hole in 1 inch material. With our optional 6x6 die holder, you can punch up to a 4 inch hole in 3/16 inch material, allowing you to make big holes fast. Scotchman Industries staffs a full-time special tooling department that can design and build all types of tools to fit your application. We design and build all types of special punches and dies, including tube punches like the one shown here. If you have a special application, just fax or mail us a diagram of your needs. Our 2-cavity rod shear will shear round rod up to 1 1/2 inches and square rod up to 1 1/4 inch. This hold-down device is readily adjustable to prevent kick-up of the rod when shearing less than the maximum capacity material. On this model, the capacities in the angle shear cavity are up to 6 inches by 6 inches by 1/2 inch. The material is parted with a single crop-off cut with no material loss. Another of its outstanding features is that both even and off leg angle can be sheared without changing the blades. This hold-down device is readily accessible to prevent kick-up of the angle when shearing less than maximum capacity material. To miter angle up to 4 inches on these machines, crank the hold-down device down to the material and place the material in the machine at the desired angle. We offer, as standard equipment on this model, an oversized miter table with a movable squaring arm. This allows you to make multiple cuts of a particular angle very easily. All Scotchman ironworkers have the hydraulic bypass feature. If the machine cannot shear the material presented to it, the valve will automatically bypass with no harm to the machine. Simply move the material closer to the pivot point and proceed with the cut. The FI 85 will shear mild steel up to 1 inch by 12 inches and 3/4 inch by 20 inches, a 36/65,000 tensile steel with minimum distortion of the cutoff piece. Thin material can be sheared without any changes in the clearance settings of the blades. The rectangle notcher on this FI 85 is as strong or stronger than any machine in this tonnage range. Capacities up to 3 inches by 5 inches in 1/2 inch material are well within its capabilities, with the additional advantage of up to a 3 inches by 3 inches in 1/2 inch 90-degree V-notch in one stroke. The bottom blades can be rotated 4 times for decreased tooling costs. The use of the stroke controls will greatly improve the production you can receive from these machines. By using the stroke controls, you can eliminate the free travel time before the tool reaches the part. There are several stock optional pieces of tooling available for this model. The following demonstrations will show you their capabilities. Brakes are available in 12 and 24-inch lengths. Both have different braking capacities depending on the width of the bottom die opening and length of the brake. The 12-inch brake mounts parallel to the machine, and the 24-inch brake mounts perpendicular to the machine. Both brakes have 85 tons of force available. This 6-inch angle iron brake is designed to be used in conjunction with a built-in notcher on this machine to form box frames using angle iron. Channel shearing is not an available option on many iron workers. If it is available, it will require a major tool change that will be very costly in man-hours and will require additional changes for each different size channel. With a Scotchman channel shear, you can adjust the tool from 2 inches to 6 inches and easily slide it in or out of the workstation for easy setup or storage. Our optional 6x6 90-degree notcher can do a big job for you. This tool will notch 6x6 in 5/16 inch material. This piece of tooling is mounted in the punch station. For making hand railing, our pipe notcher is a must. We carry Schedule 40 pipe dies from 3/4 inch to 2 inches in stock. Dies for tubing and Schedule 80 pipe are also available. Simply insert the pipe into the die, cycle the machine, then rotate the pipe 180 degrees and cycle the machine again. Now you have a perfect saddle for welding. For you ornamental iron people, this picket tool is a necessity. Simply put the square tube into the dies and cycle the machine. This tool will crush and form the tube, giving you a perfect picket point every time. This tool can be used for round and square tubing in 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch sizes. This optional square tube shear will cut up to 2 inch 16 gauge tubing with minimal distortion. It mounts in the punch station, and along with the picket tool is a high volume tool for security fences and other applications that require the use of square tubing. Next, we will demonstrate our optional urethane stripper. The stripper is demonstrated here in conjunction with our multi-lock advanced measuring system. This stripper is designed for applications that require a repeated series of holes in strap material where deformation of the material is a problem. As you can see in this demonstration, there is very little deformation of the material. Many of our end users want to punch holes in the leg of channel, I-beam, or H-beam. With this optional offset die holder, you can punch in the leg of these profiles up to 6 inches in height. The maximum capacity for this tool is 40 tons. There will be many occasions when large runs of flat, rod, and angle must be cut in the same length. Serious consideration should be given to this optional back gauge and conveyor system. The back gauge will swivel to all stations on the iron worker for quick, easy setup. When combined with a standard stroke control, you can make small pieces out of big ones in a hurry. This back gauge is available in 2 different styles. It is provided standard as a mechanical stop for setting your desired lengths. It can also be provided as an electronic back gauge that will automatically cycle the machine when material is presented to it. The conveyor comes standard with rollers for the plate shear and tooling station. These conveyors will greatly increase productivity and reduce operator fatigue. A real value from Scotchman are the optional tooling packages. There are 4 different tooling packages available for this machine. They consist of some of the most popular optional tooling and the most commonly ordered sizes of punches and dies. These packages can offer savings of over $600 over purchasing these items individually. Thank you for your time, and we hope that Scotchman Industries can help solve your manufacturing needs in the near future. We have a strong dealer network and very capable factory representatives ready to assist you in selecting the machine and tooling to fill your needs, both before and after the sale. When you purchase a Scotchman ironworker, you will also receive a 20-minute safety video detailing the proper use of the machine. These videos are very beneficial for instructing your present employees and also new people hired into your workforce at a later date. If you have any questions that did not get covered on this tape, please call our toll-free telephone number 1-800-843-8844, and our experienced staff will be happy to answer them for you.